tips of if you have closer to the cuticles. 60 seconds full cure. Make sure after each of the time you cure 10 seconds. 60 seconds is to be completely full cure. And then I'm gonna just separate it and give it a quick shape. You don't have to do at all. It's already did everything for us, which is that what I love about this. Is great to adding it on if you are thinking about this, you're not sure, you see everything on social media everywhere and everybody asking about that, you know. Good time to get into it as well. And then when you are doing the good quality of the set for the clients, they feel so good and it's really confident when they're wearing it. I have a clients that are switching from acrylics to gel extension, so it doesn't matter. The clients will love acrylic. Some clients will like, I don't want to wear acrylics anymore, I don't want to wear gels anymore, you know, I'm ready to do something different. You know, definitely you want to keep your business in your salon and in your chair. So this is going to be another services you're going to be able to offer. That's it. You don't have to do anything. It's such a thing that you don't have to fire it too much. And then I'm gonna using the e-file. If you don't have the e-file, you are good to go. There's no necessary needed it at all. It's done. And it's as I showed you earlier, you're just like getting closer to the cuticle and you are holding it for 45 degrees and then you slide gently into the cuticle. So then it's kind of getting slight puzzle right there. And there's no excess glue. Even I did it for my dominant hands, right? Using my non-dominant hand, it doesn't even have that issue either. So for a lot of beginners, if you are really worried and scared of using e-file, when you start doing it, I would do 6,000, 5,000, 6,000 RPM, and also depend on the e-file and then getting your ceramics file. You can do it medium or you can do it fine. It's both of them are either way is fine too, and it's so gentle. It's not going to be really fast and really abrasive for your client's cuticle. Holding it 45 degrees and it's just slightly gently. Can you see my nails under the camera? Where I'm at? Okay. Just really gentle. It should be just tickle your client's nails instead of feeling any pressure or heat at all. Just a little bit. That's it. We just like need to clean if you feel like you have any of the excess gel. And then move to the next one. Hello everyone, and happy Saturday. Okay, going to the next one. 45 degrees, just really gentle and take your time. Make sure you have one of your fingers, which is that the finger in the same hand that you are holding your e-file, and kind of anchor it down to your fingers or your client's fingernails. Your client's fingers, like hold it right here, to just make sure that your hands, to have support in your hand when you are filing, to avoiding of shaky, because my hand is sometimes it can be really shaky when you have a long day at work and you still have to finish your day, your task, and you have, you know, haven't eat anything and drinking coffee or tea, you know, it's getting a little bit of shaky. Okay. I try to hold my hand on the hand to have a support there. All right, I think it's good. Done.